Hi, I'm going to show you doming hacks today. So required products are liquid latex, which Madras Bazaar is going to launch, brush, a small cup to use this, or you can directly also apply this. So what you have to do is cover all the sides except the doming part, and you can have a thick layer of this liquid latex, and then let it dry completely, like 100%, and then apply resin on top and let it drop anywhere, so that it's gonna save the latex is gonna save your piece from dripping in unwanted areas. Once it get cures, you can peel it. So I'll show you how you are going to work with this. So first, take this latex. I'm pouring directly to the piece. Spread equally. Make a thick layer. Make sure it covers all the places, even the sides actually. This will be the very useful tip for the beginners who struggle with doming. So let this dry completely, and I have made few products already using this. So you can see your resin part is completely safe now with the dripping thing. This is the removed one. No matter how hard it is, like, we can remove it easily, so you can use it for any shape you want. So I think this video will be useful for you, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.